Today, on the Tom Kearin Channel, how to make manifesting your desired reality inevitable. I am your host, Tom Kearin, and this is the Tom Kearin Channel and studios of Be Something Wonderful, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Creators, good morning and welcome back to the studios of Be Something Wonderful. There were some big questions from you. I want to go to a comment that says, Tom, how do I make my manifestations inevitable? In other words, I'm feeling exhausted, affirming and imagining what I want. I'm feeling exhausted in doing these processes where nothing is changing. So how do I make it inevitable? Well, remember that it's not the processes in the techniques that create your desired reality or manifest your desired reality. It's already yours. It's already done. That's simply putting your awareness on the vision of what you want. So the only thing you really need to do, and you don't really need to do anything, other than hold the vision of what you love, of what you want. Focus on the love of what you want versus the lack of it. We've talked about this many times. And when we feel like we're doing techniques and processes to manifest something, then we're not focused on the love of what we want. We're focused on the lack of it. We're focused on believing that there are conditions to be met to manifest and have what we want. Do you see, we even put the idea of manifesting as a condition to have what we want. Instead, just simply stand in the vision, hold the vision of what you love, of what you want. That's all there is. That's all there ever is, right? And stop trying to resolve and fix your thoughts and feelings, trying to feel better about those thoughts and feelings that are always changing, trying to feel better about realities and identities that you don't prefer, that are not your choice anymore. Just let those go. Stand in the vision and the love of what you want. Hold on to that because that's who you are. Remember, the structure is already in place. What's that structure? I am. That structure is not shaky. That structure is invincible. So it's inevitable. When you choose, when you hold on to the vision of what you love and what you want, when you focus on the love of what you want versus the lack of it, it makes your manifestations inevitable, right? Stop trying to influence or change or do something with or deal with the changing people, events, and circumstances. Just like the thoughts and feelings that you're trying to resolve and trying to feel better. They're not source of anything. Like Jesus said in that show, The Chosen, when he was talking to the paralyzed man at the pool of Bethesda. This pool, it means nothing. It does nothing. Forget about all that and hold the vision of what you love. Right? But remember, love is the ultimate reality. That's the power. That's the power that you are. But we leak that power as we try to resolve our changing thoughts and feelings, as we try to deal with the changing people, events, and circumstances, and try to influence them. Right? We give our power away to them. You leak the power that you are to these people, events, and circumstances. But it still doesn't change who you are. So focus on that. That's really my message today. Let me see if there was something else in here that she was asking about. Yeah, that effort, remember, it's connect with the vision of what you want versus the lack of it, versus the idea that I've got to manifest this. I've got to keep assuming. I've got to keep imagining until something happens out there. Know that it's always happening. Know that it's always unfolding from within you. That's the magic that you are. That's the power that you are. It's inevitable, right? That nothing can shake or change that structure of that I am awareness that you are. It's a divine structure through which it's the door. I am the door. I am the way. I am the vine. I am the bread of life. Right? I am the good shepherd. These are the I am affirmations. It's everything comes through that awareness that you already are it, that you already have it. Stand in that and let everything else go. It really gets back to the teachings of Neville Goddard, and as he talks about the pearl of great price. Buy that pearl. Right? And let everything else go. Let every other belief in a secondary cause, a secondary power go, because your source. You don't have to do anything with those changing thoughts and feelings. You don't have to do anything with those changing people, events, and circumstances, because they're always changing. That's why we often say that they're not real or not reality. What changes is not real, is not reality, because it changes. But what doesn't change? Your awareness, who you are. That I am that I am. I am the creator and the ultimate divine structure through which everything comes, right? Through which I create this entire physical experience. Focus on that, and believe me, it will make your manifesting inevitable, effortless. I am your host, Tom Kearin, and this is the Tom Kearin Channel and studios of Be Something Wonderful, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Creators, thank you. Thank you for joining me in this beautiful unfolding, because remember, that's what reality is, right? Our experience of ultimate reality is an unfolding. It's not about the past or the present or future or time. It's about your awareness. And you're always seeing a different version or perspective or viewpoint of all that you are and all that is. So join us again. We released a big video on our other YouTube channel, Be Something Wonderful. Be sure to check out that. And not this Sunday, but the next Sunday, the following Sunday, the 23rd, we have our second live event of 2025. And that's going to be a live stream, a live event where I answer your questions in real time as you ask them. This is going to be broadcast on the Be Something Wonderful membership channel. So be sure to join us. Next week, we will be in Tahoe. We'll be in Alpine Meadows, snowboarding. We're going to be broadcasting from there, so join us there. Creators, with great love, with great light, and infinite gratitude, this is Tom Kearin here on the Tom Kearin Channel in the studios of Be Something Wonderful. Until next time, we'll see you soon.